Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, that word being bamboo. I think we all know what I'm probably going to paint, but let's get into it to see if you guessed right. So with the word being bamboo, I pretty much had to draw everyone's favorite neighborhood bamboo eater, and that would be the majestic panda bear. I wanted this piece to be focused on not really having any outlines throughout, so I used the India ink to get all the different shades in the panda. Since the panda is just black and white, all I really had to do was really use light ink in all the white areas to show shadow, and then use straight ink for the black areas. I did focus on not making all the black areas overly dark because I did want you to be able to see where the limbs were. This piece was a lot of fun for me to make because I absolutely love drawing animals and I love painting animals even more with India ink. But I will be quiet and let you guys enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word bamboo. I think this turned out really good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!